Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry egg with tomato. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepared and within reach. You will need about 3 large eggs, 2 to 3 medium-sized ripe tomatoes, and some green onions for garnish if desired. Also, have your cooking oil, salt, and a pinch of sugar ready to enhance the flavors of this delicious and simple dish. Now let's get those eggs ready. Crack about 3 or 4 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your wok or pan over a medium-high flame. Once the oil is shimmering, pour in the whisked eggs and quickly scramble them until they are just set and fluffy, then transfer them to a separate plate. Next, we focus on the tomatoes. Take 2 to 3 medium-sized ripe tomatoes and chop them into nice, bite-sized wedges or chunks. If your pan looks dry, add another tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the chopped tomatoes to the hot pan and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften and release their juices. Season them with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Return your fluffy scrambled eggs to the pan with the softened, seasoned tomatoes. Gently toss and stir the eggs and tomatoes together for about 1 minute, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish your vibrant dish with some freshly chopped green onions for a touch of freshness. Serve this delightful stir-fry egg with tomato immediately, perhaps with a side of steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.